It's time for our poem of the week. This week's author is Mark Bird. If you want to see more of Mark's poems, have a look in the description and click on the link to his website. The title of this week's poem is Stirring Custard with Your Toes. Oh no, the chef is grumpy, her custard's thick and very lumpy. Oh no, she's lost her spoon, it's time for lunch, it's nearly noon. Stand up, let's stir those lumps, let's whisk away those custard bumps. Let's stir the custard with our toes. Round and round the custard goes. Let's stir the custard with our chins. Round and round the custard spins. Let's stir the custard with our lips. Round and round the custard whips. Let's stir the custard with our nose. Round and round the custard goes. Hooray, hooray, the lumps are gone, and stirring it was so much fun. The custard's smooth, the custard's yummy. It's time to pour it in our tummy. Let's lick the bowl with one big slurp, and when it's gone, do one big burp. I really hope you enjoyed our poem of the week. Give it a like to let me know if you did. If there's a poem you'd like to nominate, please do get in touch by leaving a comment below or by social media. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so that you can keep updated with all my new videos. Take care. Bye for now.